I know that I already have my lashes on. I wanted to add something to the beginning of this video because throughout the video, I'm going to be calling these lashes Plum. They're not Plum, they're Plume, P-L-U-M-E. And some reason I read Plum in the beginning, and from then on, I thought it was Plum, but it's actually Plume. So just wanted to add that before you start seeing me say Plum, okay? Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing a review on some lash extensions. It is by the brand Plum. I actually reached out to her on Instagram and asked if she'd be willing to send me some of her lashes to review, and she said yes. She started her company in 2019 when her lashes were just getting too worn out from doing lash extensions, and it was getting too expensive, so she decided to open her own lash company, and I am so happy she did. Like, me and her have a lot in common because I like to do lashes at home because it is more cost efficient. I don't have the time. I have 4 kids. I homeschool, and I'm just go, go, go. We have a church. My husband's a pastor, and when he's at work, I'm usually homeschooling and stuff, so I really don't have time to sit down and make appointments and get it done every month, even if I could afford it. So, I mean, that's why I enjoy doing them. They last up to 2 weeks. They're customizable, so you can do whatever you want. Like, you know, the sky's the limit with these. So this is the packaging. I like how she does, like, it's a home business, and she, like, does the decals for the box. I thought that was so cute. So this is how it comes. Like, she put a little note in there. How awesome is that? And this is where she tells a little bit about her business. It says, the business concepts for Plum Lashes began in 2019 when I realized that my natural lashes and my wallet could no longer bear the weight costs of lash extensions. I wanted my time back, and I wanted another solution. That is a customizable and extensions, and offers a longer wear solution than strip lashes. Plum Lashes was born. So they are made with premium vegan Korean silk fibers. Placed under your you place them underneath your natural lashes. It produces volume like lashes with an invisible, fluttery, full body look, created to complement the thickness and length of your natural lashes, and can be worn up to 5 days. Honestly, I weigh them way more than that. I wear them up to 2 weeks, almost all my lashes. So, I mean, that's an understatement. So they have C curls and D curls. As you can see, it kind of shows you, like, that's a C curl. Yeah, that's a C curl. That's a D curl. D curls, they tend to fall off a lot faster just because they're so curled up. It kind of pushes off your lashes, where a C curl usually lasts a lot longer than a D curl. But I like the look of a D curl just because it's kind of like, if it kind of just lift your lashes straight up. So they have a few different lashes. They have Glam Bold C Curl, Glam Bold D Curl, Glam Light C Curl, Glam Light D Curl, Lash Insert Tool, and Lash Insert Fix Adhesive. So that's everything that I got. So we're gonna get right into this. I am going to show you everything that's in here. Look how cute the packaging is, though. I thought that was so sweet. So she sent me some of her tweezers. So I didn't know she sent me all this. So I had my other glue and tweezers. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these away because I don't need them. These have a really good weight to them. They feel like really, really nice. And I love lash applicators like this. And you can use these with even strip lashes, but with strip lashes, they're not going to last as long as these unless you cut them up. So that is how that looks. Look how pretty. And it has her brand right there. Super cute. I like the feel of these. And then it came with the glue and then a little spoolie. Most glue adhesive have the micro fiber one. This one does not, so you can actually just brush it onto the spoolie and put it on that way. It just depends on what you. So these are 30 silk lash inserts, and I'm not quite sure which ones are which, if it says. I'm not seeing where it says. Okay, it says Glam Bold D-Curl Mix. So that's what they look like. This is Glam Light D-Curl Mix. This is Glam Bold C-Curl Mix. Those look so fluffy. They all look really fluffy, but these ones look really fluffy. And this is Glam Light C-Curl Mix. I am going to do bold because today is Monday and we're going to do a Thanksgiving dinner at our church on Wednesday. So I'm going to be cooking all day tomorrow. That's why I decided to do this video today. I need to do my nails. I took off my other ones and they were not ready to come off, but I forced them off because me and my mother-in-law are going to have matchy nails. So I went ahead and did that. Okay, so I want to do super bold. I like this D-curl and these fluttery lashes. I also like the C-curl. I'm going to go ahead and do the D-curl. I'm just going to go for it. Those look so pretty. Okay, since I'm going to be using these ones, and I like that it has the different lengths, I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you. And this is another thing. I guess she redid the packaging on them, and it's easy just to pull them out just like that. So you're not having to worry about those little plastic things. So it's going to be a lot easier to take them off. And it also comes like different lengths. As you can see, the very bottom's the longest, and then a medium, and then it doesn't really say what the size is, but the longer ones are for the outer. Then you'll go a little bit shorter and then bigger. And I like how thick these are, like width. I don't like them when they're too thin because it takes a lot longer to apply them. I'll go ahead and open this. Look at the little holographic packaging on this, so cute. Okay, so I'm taking everything out. So that's a little spoolie. It's in like a straw thing. So we're just gonna get right into this and start applying. So I do like the fact that this is black. Okay, so I'm just kind of pushing it in there. And then I'm just going to brush it in about like halfway. Like that. And then I'm going to take the tweezers and I'm going to get this very bottom one. Make sure that you're grabbing it all the way across and then pulling, because when you don't do that, the lashes will break. So you grab them however you're going to be applying them. And then I'm going to take this, I'm going to put a little bit of product on it, and I'm going to just, I do like this for this purpose. Like, this is a lot easier. So I'm just applying it on top of the lash because I'm going to be gluing them from underneath. Gonna let it get a little tacky. Okay, so that is the first one. It is like right on the lash line. Okay, I'm going to do another of the longest portion. We're going to get this glue off. And again, just place that glue on the very tip top. See how easy they are to apply. I do like the thicker bands like this. These are so pretty. I think I'm going to start with the next row and do 2 of these as well. So again, Make sure you're going up underneath and grabbing all the lashes and then pulling so that they don't rip. I don't know if this was actually meant to do this. I'm thinking this may have been meant to just brush out your lashes. So I may be doing this wrong. I should have probably kept that. But I have other spoolies, so it's fine. This glue is so good. This is almost like the clayless. It has a really good hold from the get-go. I love it. So because I pulled that up on that one, there's a little space. So I'm going to stack another one of these right on top of that. And that's another thing, good thing is you can easily stack these. I'm using that same length. Just to kind of, because I don't want there to be any crack. As you can see, there's like a little hole right there. I'm going to put a little bit more glue on this one since it's going on the other two lashes. Okay, I'm going to do one more of this fullest one, and then I'm probably going to do this smaller one. So I'm just going to use this. As you can see, I'm just using that directly on the lashes. I'm going to grab another one of these second ones. A little more lash glue on this. That is looking so pretty. You can see where it's kind of, where I stacked them. It's a little fuller right there. Which is fine with me. These are super easy to apply. It would have been even easier to apply if I would have went with the C curl, because these are the D curl. So the C curl wouldn't come up is like just straight up, but I don't care because I like them. So that's what we have so far. And I did do my brows, so if you seem like my face is a little red, it's because I did my brow henna today. So as you can see, I've used 2 of these, 3 of those just because I didn't put the other one close enough and I wanted to make sure that it looked pretty. And then I'm just going to use 1 of these and that'll be perfect. As you can see, that is the final look. These things, this glue is so good. Like, it is super, super sticky. I don't even think you can see. Hold on. I'm going to try to show you guys what it looks like from this side. Okay, so that is what it looks like underneath. If I'm just looking sideways. Super, super pretty. These are gorgeous. I think, honestly, in my honest opinion, these are some of the best lashes that I've ever tried. And you guys know, I have tried so many. I don't know. These are just so pretty. And, like, just look at that. They're kind of, they're really soft. but they have like a stiffness like down here, so it's going to keep its hold and keep the curl. But they are so pretty. So this is before and this is after. Like, honestly, who would not want to do this? Like, this is so pretty, and you could just wake up and go. I did do my brow henna. I did miss a little spot right here, which is fine. I can just easily fill in that little piece rather than fill in my whole brows. But with this and then that done, you're set. Like, you don't need anything else. That's so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish this side, and I'll be back when I'm done with this side. Okay, so this side is done, but as you can see, because I added that little piece on this side looks a little fuller than this side, so I'm gonna have to add a piece on this side just to make them look the same. So I added it like about right there, so I'm gonna have to add this about the same spot just to make them look the same, because it just looks a little more voluminous on this side. Now you can see it kind of looks equal now. Super pretty. So as you can see, this is what this side looks like. Pretty much the same. Super, super pretty. So you guys seen what I look like before I started this video, and this is what I look like after. Just so much prettier. And like I said, these should last up to at least a week. I've gotten them last up to 2 weeks, so it just depends on the glue. But I will keep you guys updated. Super pretty. So this is what I have left. As you can see, I did kind of break off a little piece off that one just because I didn't grab it all the way, but it looks really, really, really pretty. I absolutely love these. Like, definitely one of my top favorites now, and I will be buying more from her. Love these. The glue is really good. Like, it's really, really sticky. Like, after applying it, some are not like that, and it's a lot harder to stick them on. I did get a little lash glue on my eyelids, but they are really pretty. I cannot wait to wear these in public, but I love these. So pretty. They're so, so pretty. So yeah, I would give these a 5 out of 5 stars. Like I said, they are super good quality. They feel like they're going to be really durable. Like, only time will tell, but from what I can tell, it feels really nice. This side's a little sore, but it was sore before I applied them. I had let my lashes set in oil last night just so that they would come off super easy, and I think it irritated this eye. So this eye is sore, but it has nothing to do with these lashes, but it's just hurting me. So I wanted to add that I will be also reviewing the other sets throughout the weeks, just depending like when these ones fall off, just in case you're disappointed because I put this set on. Like I said, I will be doing the other ones, so don't panic. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.